What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how I built this mug in today's video. Check it out. I'm starting this project. The last two pieces of oak here. I'm gonna make a wood mug, hopefully. It might be a fail. Who knows? I start off making 7-inch strips right here, and then I rip those down to 30 degrees on each side. Here we go. After I ripped them down 30 degrees, I plane them down, making sure to leave what will be the inside of the mug up in the planer. Got them right down underneath 1/2 inch, and then I glue them up right here with the painter's tape trick. And this is really just a good trick for any kind of miter joint or angled joint when you don't have like a domino or something to keep it aligned. Here I'm just flattening it out on the table saw, trying to get it all cut flush. And here I'm making the handle. It's just 2 butt joints with 2 through dowels, and all of it is going to get trimmed up and rounded over on the router, and that way it's going to be nice and comfortable and actually look like a handle. Super simple though. And here I'm just using the router to round over the edge of the mug. Really simple. I'm pretty sure this is like a 1/4 inch round over bit. I'm not 100% sure. I forget after I open that pack. They're not like labeled or anything. Here's doing the inside. I think I do the inside again on the table, but yeah, the inside again. Or no, I do the outside. And here's the handle all cut out, and then I'm gonna run that on the router table and get it nice and rounded over. That way it feels comfortable in the hand. It's not gonna be weird or thick. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. I feel like I should take some of this out. It might get boring trying to watch me just repetitively do stuff like that, but that's the finished handle, nice and rounded over. Came out super clean. That's gonna get glued onto the mug, and then everything is gonna get sanded all together. Here's me just gluing it onto the mug real quick. Type Bond 3 is the glue that I use. I used like CA super glue, regular super glue, to glue the bottom on, but that's just because since I was covering the whole thing in epoxy, I figured I might as well just use super glue. And here I'm putting the 1/4 inch Forstner bit to put in these 1/4 inch dowels. Just kind of traced out a B and did like some 1/4 inch squares to get the like basic spacing of it. And then I just flush trimmed everything after I glued in all those dowels. I want to say it was only like 20 or 30 dowels tops, but it wasn't too hard. It just took like maybe 10 minutes to do this, but that was just kind of a cool little thing, putting my initial on it. Here's the CA glue right here. Just push that down and then put some weight on it. And waited maybe like 15-20 minutes until it was all dry. Flush cut it as much as I could with the saw, and then I take the router and flush cut the rest with the router. Pretty simple. I was going against the rotation of the router right there, so I realized I had to go the other way. And here's me doing the epoxy. I am not the person to ask for advice on epoxy. I've had a lot of luck with this Total Boat tabletop epoxy, although it's not FDA approved. So do your research on your finishes if you're looking to build something to eat or drink off of like this.